The Asian Koel's diet is equally interesting. It primarily feeds on fruits, especially figs, making it a key player in seed dispersal. By consuming fruit and spreading seeds across forests, the koel contributes to the growth and maintenance of ecosystems. Its role in nature is far greater than meets the eye, making it a true guardian of biodiversity. Why is it important? The Asian koel holds a special place in cultural folklore and traditions across countries. In India, its song is often associated with the arrival of spring, symbolizing joy and renewal.